Hi everyone. I'm going to talk about of the Arranberry house. I'm Jesus Eduardo Cáceres Urquizu, and this is the evidence 3. And well, the the Arranberry house, it was a home of a little family from Monterey, and this family had an accident, but where did it happen? This happened on Aranberry Street in downtown Monterey, and in the present this place is a museum where many people go for take it photos or only visit it. And well, when did it happen? This happened in 80, 88 ago, years ago, in 1933, when the city was growing up, and in that moment there were not many problems with the thief and the killers. And well, the history, why did it happen? This act begins at 6 o'clock, and when Mr. Don Delfino is a father of the family. He leaves the work 30 minutes later, and three peoples arrive at home with knives and try to enter the house and hit and kick her, the woman and her daughter, and could not leave the house. And when they thieves enter the house, they steal all and the money and kill the family in the in the end. And then the thieves run out of the house with all money. And well, that's all. Thank you.